Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this black cap here. This was purchased recently from Amazon and it is proudly made in Michigan in the United States of America as clearly shown on the label. Let's go ahead and rip the sticker off here and we'll open this up here because what this is a part that was actually 3D printed to go on the so-called capless gas tank on a 2024 Ford Ranger and perhaps similar vehicles with a similar capless design, meant to help keep dust out of your fuel system. That's one of my big complaints about the capless system, is that the fuel door is not fully sealed. I'm a little concerned over the long haul. Dust gets through the door. Does it accidentally kind of work its in one by one, little by little into the fuel system? There's not really an obvious fuel filter for replacement here. And so having a cap over that should help just keep dust and debris out of the fuel system, just to help preserve the life of the engine, to make it last longer and run better. One of the concerns I have about this, though, is you see this is black, which will obviously blend in well, but I have some concerns of, well, will it get left at the gas station on top of my tonneau cover? So let's go ahead and go outside and we'll install this. Very quick video today, and we'll be right back. All right, we are out with the Ranger Raptor. You can see it parked right here. Turn the camera over to the gas tank lid, and we'll go ahead and pop it open. You will see there is some weather sealing right around the gas tank door there, a nice rubber gasket, but still, you can see there's a little bit of dust and debris that has worked their way into the fuel system area where you fill up with gas. Still a little residual fuel from the last time I filled up. And so now with this, all we should have to do is just press it fit right on like that. And now I know for sure any residual debris that makes its way through the weather sealing around here will not get down that gas tank hole, hopefully preserving the life of the engines. All right, here we are about 6-7 months later. Let's take a look at the gas cap here. There's been no error codes, emission codes, or anything been thrown by having this on the truck. One of my concerns was, would the gasoline eat away at the 3D printed plastic here? And so far the answer is no. It looks just as good as it did new. The only difference is it fits maybe just a little less snugly, but it still holds on tight, keeps it clean. There's been times where I've had mud all over the truck. I remove this, and even this is covered in dirt, but that's all nice and clean to keep my fuel system clean. And so I think for a couple of bucks, this is an absolute must-have for refilling your truck. The only complaint I have is I wish there was a little tether here so I didn't have to set it up on top or hold on to it while putting fuel in. I could just kind of let it dangle like any other normal fuel cap. But I think that's an essential must-add for your truck to help protect the fuel system and add to the longevity of it. I'll put a link down below about for this product. If you got any questions or comments, put it in down below as well. Like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. Bye.